Hey guys, we're back. So what'd you think of that little intro there? Last mow I got in, my oldest wanted to take the Toro for a spin, so I let him go. He did a pretty good job, but I'm not gonna lie, I may have went back over those stripes to straighten them back up. So what I'm doing today is I'm getting ready to put down some serious stripage. We're supposed to get a frost. We're under a frost advisory, maybe a warning for tomorrow. So I want to get a mow in before that because it's going to pretty much stop the Bermuda, and we'll see what it'll do with the ryegrass since this is my first season with rye. So let's hop on for a little stripe action. Okay guys, so there we have it. I laid down some pretty good stripes today. Still have to set in this new pattern. My existing ones went pretty well, but I've been doing a single stripe pass in the backyard, pretty much in one direction. Today I switched it up. I'm doing a single, a 1.5, and a double. Doing those perpendicular as well, so after I do the many passes to get it in one direction, I switch it 90 degrees and I do the same single, 1.5, and double perpendicular. Hopefully after a few mows I'll have a nice plaid pattern set in, so we can go ludicrous stripes with these here. We have a little competition coming up next weekend, more than likely going to be Halloween day. We'll see how it goes, all dependent on temperatures and things like that, because as I said, I do have a frost advisory / warning in effect for tonight. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, go ahead, hit the subscribe button while you're at it, and go ahead and hit the freaking bell because I might actually start caring now. With that, we'll see you hopefully for a midweek update with how this new pattern's setting in, and hopefully you all can use some of this to lay down some Halloween stripe domination on your neighbors. Till next time, we'll see you guys.